Oh, oh, oh!
Who's do it?
We are heading on our adventure walk here in Struthers. We've done this walk once before, just something fun to do for the kids really quickly. Probably takes like a half hour. We're gonna walk all the way to like where there's like a dam for one of our lakes over here, and it kind of gives it a cool waterfall, but the girls and Bear love the walk, so we're gonna get that done today. Ari, stop throwing entire boulders. You just got mommy wet.
I can just walk right.
I'm more worried about Ari.
Ari, duck, what do you do? Oh, limbo? You forgot how to move? Just... Oh, oh, oh! You're okay.
That was fair. He gave you a hug.
You guys know where you're going now, don't you, Kai?
I don't know.
Stay right there, bro.
Just helping Grandma down the hill.
That's a beaver dam? Oh, that's a beaver dam?
I'm pretty sure.
Was that a fun adventure walk? What was your favorite part? Throwing rocks?
Now you need to tell Cat the mirror. Mirror Cat. You need to tell her, Anna Creek and what's the lake's name? Not Mill Lake, but Yellow Creek.
Yeah?
What's the part's name?
That's Yellow Creek.
Yeah. My dad has that name.
No, just Yellow Creek.
Cameron Creek? Emily?
What?
Oh. It's just Yellow Creek.
It's just called Yellow Creek, yeah.
Oh. What's your trail's name?
What's the trail's name? It's called Hopewell Furnace Trail.
Oh. You need to tell Mary Cat. You need to tell Mary Cat about this. Mary Cat.
You don't think she knows about it?
You need to tell her Yellow Creek passes. And we need to have a celebration for Yellow Creek. Because Yellow Creek, we need to have a celebration for Yellow Creek because the tree company, we need to have a celebration for Yellow Creek and the tree company. Because the tree company will clean up all the trees.
Yeah, that's good. Then we could do that, Ari.
What's